Giraffe waterproof system includes Giraffe waterproof glass series, leaking, stopper kit, and professional tools, scraper, measuring tape, chalk line mark, trowel, mixer, roller, brush. Step E. Base surface preparation. Inspect and clean the substrate. Ensure it is flat, solid, and free from loose particles. Then thoroughly sweep the surface. Step 2. Define waterproofing height. Kitchen application height is greater than or equal to 1.2 meter. Step 3. Internal corner reinforcement. Apply Giraffe leak stopper kit. Mix with water at specified ratio. Stir rapidly and apply evenly to internal corners. Maintain thickness compatible. Step 4. Substrate wetting and coating application. Mix Giraffe Blue Armor Universal Waterproof Coating. 2. Component system. The product consists of liquid and powder. Pour the liquid and powder into the mixing container according to the proportion. Stir 3 to 5 minutes until lump-free slurry forms. Ensure substrate is damp, but free of standing water. Apply the first coat if no standing water is present. Detail internal corners with brush. Thickness less than or equal to 1 mm. Apply 2 to 3 hours after first layer. Start the second coat. Thickness of second coat not exceeding 1 mm. Second layer horizontal cross brushing. Giraffe Blue Armor is a rigid, multifunctional waterproof coating design for kitchen, bathroom walls.
高要求选长路。